ETFs for Bitcoin or Elon Musk. These words sound so familiar, but what's the deal with Shiba Inu and Shirim? It's been an exciting journey, but people are finally becoming more confident in the cryptocurrency space, and now we're entering a stage we've never been in before. Let me explain what I mean. As we end the first quarter of 2024, a lot of interesting things have been happening lately, but let's talk about how boring cryptocurrency was last year. A lot of people got tired of it and either abandoned their cryptocurrency or stopped making payments. Focus, however, when things get boring, can you really blame them? It's common for people to lose interest in things. Additionally, you should know that during the bear market, when prices dropped and interest waned, those who remained vigilant took advantage of the opportunity to accumulate cryptocurrency at lower prices. This served as a litmus test, separating the devoted from the indifferent. Now, in 2024, the approval of the Bitcoin ETF has injected. The Shiba Inu ecosystem had a huge moment in the first quarter of 2024, bringing unexpected enthusiasm to the cryptocurrency market. This development has drawn a new wave of participants, suggesting the possibility of major growth ahead. It appears to be just the beginning. The Shiba Inu ecosystem really took off in Q1 of 2024. For those who are unfamiliar with quarters, imagine a year like a pie that is divided into 4 equal parts instead of cutting it into slices. Each part is called a quarter, so if you think about it, a year has 4 quarters. Shiba Inu shot up by 190%, Leash climbed 87%, and Bone rose by 25%. There was a lot of trading going on and some smart partnerships were made. The first quarter lasts from January to March. The second quarter in the business year runs from April to June. World Cups are a significant event. Businesses use them to monitor their performance. They look at metrics like sales, earnings, and expenses for each quarter to determine whether they are on pace to reach their targets. While it all makes perfect sense, here's the crucial part: if we take cryptocurrency into account, the situation is fairly similar but typically has a bigger impact on investors' behavior when a crypto project has a successful quarter. If a business has a bad quarter, it means they didn't make as much money or meet their targets. This could be because of things like low sales or unexpected expenses. Investors typically feel more confidence after a quarter of positive developments and price gains, and they may be more likely to purchase or hang on to their tokens in anticipation of future growth and possible profits. Conversely, investors might get cautious if a cryptocurrency project has a bad quarter. Investors may sell their tokens in response to price declines or unimpressive developments, which could cause them to lose faith in the project's future prospects. In either case, investors keep a close eye on the quarterly performance of cryptocurrency projects in order to evaluate their investment choices. This is where things get interesting for Shiba Inu specifically, BITC. A cryptocurrency exchange recently shared some interesting numbers. They showed a huge surge in activity for Shiba Inu and its companion token Shiba Inu itself, a whopping 190% increase in value. An unsuccessful quarter may result in decreased investor interest and token value. In addition, trading volume for these tokens increased by 46% in the first quarter, and the number of traders participating increased by 178%. All in tandem with the emergence of additional tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Speaking of quarters and businesses, Tesla recently revealed that they did not sell any of their $700 million worth of Bitcoin during the first quarter of 2024. This news is very significant for the entire cryptocurrency space, and as one of the users pointed out, it also has a very interesting impact on Shiba Inu. Additionally, it shows that an increasing number of people are participating in and trading within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Still think that Bitcoin will increase in value over time. This is very true, and let's not forget that Tesla is the second largest corporate Bitcoin holder, right behind MicroStrategy. This simply means that Tesla has a sizable portion of its treasury invested in Bitcoin, just like MicroStrategy does. When large corporations like MicroStrategy and Tesla make moves with their investments, it usually attracts attention because many people believe that if these powerful people, backed by teams of financial advisors, are investing in Bitcoin, it must be a wise move. As a result, they may follow suit in the hopes of seeing comparable returns on their own investments. However, one humorous Twitter user suggests that if they had purchased Shiba Inu at the last bear market price, they could already be assembling Tesla helicopters. While this is a funny theory, it's important to keep in mind that the cryptocurrency space is still in its early stages. It's understandable why they might not have experimented with Shiba Inu given their entry into the cryptocurrency space and the fact that Bitcoin is the most well-known and largest cryptocurrency. However, it's important to realize that developments in Bitcoin have an impact on the entire cryptocurrency space. Although Tesla may not have directly invested in Shiba Inu, any significant movements in the price of Bitcoin can still have an impact on Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies. The good news is that BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has been attracting investment for 70 years. Previous experiences have shown us that Shiba Inu often closely follows the price trajectory of Bitcoin. Days in a row, so given their degree of success and the tens of millions of dollars that pour into Bitcoin ETFs every day, I believe it's more likely that we'll see these large corporations grow their presence in the cryptocurrency market. Consider it in terms of more than just Bitcoin. Wouldn't the proprietor of the restaurant think about expanding the menu to accommodate a wider range of palates if a customer tried a new place and enjoyed the meal so much that they kept going back and telling all of their friends about it? Similar to this, large corporations may begin investigating other cryptocurrencies as a means of diversifying their investments and seizing additional opportunities when they witness one cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, gain popularity and success. As Shiba Inu gets closer to the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world right now. Reaching the top 10 probably won't be too difficult, as the development team recently revealed some exciting updates on the horizon like shibaswap 2 and a new Layer 3 blockchain, all designed to enhance the Shiba Inu token. Now, here's something you should understand. We might have expected to see exponential growth in the crypto space right after the approval of the Bitcoin ETF in the US, but the situation with Shiba Inu could mean big benefits with the potential influx of new investors. At 11th place. Grayscale threw a wrench into the works because, as we already know, this large player with a sizable Bitcoin stash suddenly began selling off their massive holdings, which caused several market crashes over the last 3 months. These kinds of actions, combined with market crashes, can seriously damage people's mental health because they breed fear and uncertainty about the things that initially motivated them to invest. When investors witness abrupt price drops or big players offloading assets, they may lose faith in the market and begin to second-guess their choices. Fortunately, there is some good news now. BlackRock needs just 30,000 Bitcoin to overtake Grayscale's Bitcoin holdings. Indicates that the market's selling pressure will probably begin to lessen. In fact, we're already seeing evidence of this, as Grayscale Bitcoin withdrawals are starting to taper off. With the intense selling pressure expected to subside soon, the cryptocurrency market can finally exhale with relief. Allows the market to level off and possibly even begin rising. Investors might feel more comfortable purchasing and holding onto their assets, which would lead to a more optimistic outlook for the cryptocurrency space overall. What are your thoughts on that? Please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to click on one of the videos you see. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.